How to add widgets on your iPhone. So here is a simple and quick steps on how to add widgets on your iPhone. So first step is all you have to do, touch and hold an empty area on your home screen until your app starts jiggling. Now once done so, tap on the edit icon available at the top left corner of your screen. Then once you tap on the edit, from the drop down tap on the add widget. Now here scroll down and look for the widget you want to add. So here I want to add the Instagram widget. So here let me simply tap on the Instagram widget available there. Now you can also choose these sizes, small, medium or the large according to your preferences. And simply tap on the add widget option available at the bottom in the blue box. And tap done. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.